15, I remember the car rides, small fights, conversations all night. I never saw you as anything more than a friend, but now I see you in a new light. We're getting older, there's a sparkle in your eyes that wasn't there before. You give me butterflies, it makes me wonder if there could be something more. We were only kids when we first met. Now let's discover what we haven't yet. I don't wanna wonder what could have been. So baby, take my hand and let my love in. Let my love in. When we were 15, when we were 15, I remember the car rides, small fights, conversations all night. I never saw you as anything more than a friend, but now I see you in a new light. We're getting older, there's a sparkle in your eyes that wasn't there before. You give me butterflies, it makes me wonder if there could be something more. We were only kids when we first met. Now let's discover what we haven't yet. I don't wanna wonder what could have been. So baby, take my hand and let my love in. When we were 15, I remember the car ride, conversations all night. When we were 15.
Returning to home. Landing.
Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Michalis FPV. Today I am very excited because we have an unboxing the new drone of the DJI, the NEO 2, and we're gonna unbox the Edition Motion Fly More combo. Inside, as you see from the picture, we see the drone NEO 2, the goggles N3, the motion controller. This is DJI's latest selfie drone. It is also the cheapest one they make and the most versatile. Here in Europe, if you buy only the drone, it costs 245 euros. And if you buy the DJI NEO 2 Fly More combo, it costs 409 euros. And if you buy the DJI 2 Motion Fly More combo, this one that I have, it costs 589 euros. Now, for my friends that they come from the United States, just you have to go to the site of the DJI to see how much costs every edition in dollars. This drone I bought it with my own money. I'm not sponsored from DJI, and I decided to buy it because I need a drone for selfies. And second, I would like to see how it's fly as FPV. And third, to find out together if it's a good drone for to start someone FPV. Let's start the unboxing because as I see it's getting more dark outside and I don't want that we have this kind of difference of lighting. So I was waiting for a long time to have this drone, and yeah, let's open it and to see what is inside. First, when we open the box, we see here that we can scan the QR code using our smartphone before first use. So like this we can install the DJI Fly application and we can watch also video tutorials and read also the user manual. So it's very useful, the QR code. And let's open to see what we have. So the first thing that we see inside is the drone, the DJI NEO 2. I will not now put it away from the plastic bag because I would like that we see the characteristics after when we see all the other accessories it has. So we're gonna put it on the side, but you can see how is the drone. It's very cute. I like it. And let's open also what we have here. We remove this. As I see, we have here the goggles N3. But first, before we remove the goggles N3, let's see what we have here. Let's put that apart. The first thing that I see here, we have the motion controller. It's really very small. I like it. We're gonna see it later. And here we have a strap. You can put it here and you can have it on your hand and never gonna lose it. So let's see what we have here. We have some stickers. Let's open it. We have a manual for DJI NEO. Never I read this. Here we have some rules for EASA, category C0, as you see here. This is something from DJI store. And the other thing that we find, it's a screw that we needed probably to remove the transceiver from the back side. This is we needed the transceiver to have the possibility to control it with the remote controls. We have a type C to type C, probably to charge our batteries. And here we have the charged hub. Let's open it. And here we have two batteries and one exists in the drone. So we have three batteries. We have two propellers in case when we break one of the propellers, you can change it. And here we have the goggles N3. Never I use it. I'm very curious to see how is the experience with these goggles. Till now I use only the goggles 2 and the first edition of the goggles with the first unit from DJI. So let's remove the drone from this plastic bag. So the first thing that we see here is the top of the drone, how it looks like, and from the other side we see the bottom of the drone, how it looks like. We see that the color is very different from the first one, the original, the NEO. This is more dark gray. I think NEO it was more open gray. To remove the protector of the camera, we have to press this part and it's easy to remove it. The new camera is 12 megapixel half sensor, which can film at a resolution of 4K 100 frames per second. The NEO 2 has 2-axis gimbal for better stability and filming. And on the left side of the drone we see a brand new flight mode display screen, so we can see all the different kind of flight modes and the parameters that we put. And on the right side we can see the LiDAR that is helped very much for obstacles and for to return home. The camera of the Neo 2 can look straight up and as well straight down. This means that you can fly the Neo very low if you wish or very high. On the left hand side of the Neo 2 you will find three buttons. These three buttons they adjust the parameters of the different flight modes of the Neo 2. On the rear you'll find the digital transceiver, which gives you 10 kilometers of flight range. On the right hand side you will find the vents to ensure the Neo 2 stays cool. Looking at the bottom of the Neo 2 you can see the omnidirectional sensor as well the height sensor. And looking at the top of the Neo 2 you can see one more omnical directional sensor. You can remove the digital transceiver if you desire by removing the 4 screws. One way to get photos and videos of the Neo 2 is to plug the USB-C cable into this port and the other into your PC. Also, if you wish, you can remove the upper portion of the prop guards in case that you want to earn a little bit more flight time and of course to have better performance if you fly FPV. Now, if you want to remove the battery of the Neo 2, you have two buttons, left and right. So you have to press them and then you have to push a little bit back. So this batteries is a new design, is not fit in the previous model. Maximum flight time it's about 19 minutes. Of course, you know, if you fly in real life it's much less, so I guess about 15 minutes. The capacity of the Neo 2 battery it's 1006 mAh. The weight of the Neo 2 with the battery and the transceiver is 160 grams. Without the transceiver is 151 grams. Now there are 5 different ways to fly the Neo 2. Number 1 is to fly the Neo 2 without the remote. Number 2 is to fly the Neo 2 using the cell phone. Number 3 is to fly the Neo 2 using a DJI remote control plus the cell phone, or you can use the remote control too. Number 4, for to fly the Neo 2 you can use the DJI FPV goggles, the N3 that we have here, and the motional controller. And the 5th way for to fly the Neo 2 you can use the DJI FPV goggles N3 or the goggles 3 and with the DJI FPV remote 3. So guys, that was the unboxing of the DJI NEO 2. If you are new, please subscribe to my channel Michalis FPV and don't forget to press the small bell for all notifications for to don't miss my new videos that I will post for this drone, for to see what kind of flight modes we can have with this selfie drone, and if it's possible to fly FPV, and if it's a good drone for to start a beginner and to learn to fly FPV. Michalis from the beautiful island of Samos here in Greece, I salute you, and don't forget always to have happy and safe flights.
When my mind gets tired of waiting, it'd be wasted time to save this.